The 21st European Workshop on Periodontology has developed a clinical practice guideline for the management of gingival diseases and conditions, also acute periodontal conditions.
EFP Perio Workshop 2025 continues the mission of EFP, which is to provide clinicians with rigorous evidence-based guidance that supports high-quality care. By addressing gingival diseases and acute periodontal conditions, we aim to fill an important gap and offer practical recommendations that can improve patient outcome in everyday practice.
Science and research are at the heart of the EFP missions. The EFP Perio Workshop brings together leading experts in periodontal science to exchange knowledge, review the latest evidence, and define the key directions that will shape the future of periodontology and implant dentistry.
So the goal is not only to keep healthcare professionals informed, but also to ensure that this knowledge is translated to everyday clinical practice. In this way, improving patient care and advancing periodontal health worldwide.